Yeah, allergies. I hate allergies so much.
Their eyes are itchy and they sniffle.
Skin especially gets really dry.
Problems with sleeping, breathing, things like that.
Spring especially, and fall again, and it just gets miserable.
I love spring because it's like we can finally open up the windows and get that fresh air, but you also have the pollen coming in with it.
When we talk about a healthy home, if you think about it, the average person is inside their home 70 to 80% of their life. Allergies, asthma, symptoms like that have to do with the stuff you breathe. If we control the health of your home, then we control the health of the people in the home.
It's nice to know that the air we breathe is inside our house is clean.
You know, I really don't think that we've been getting sick as often, or at least when we do, we seem to recover a lot faster.
This is something that I would not regret spending the money on. It's made a huge difference.
The whole family's happier when there's not Kleenex all over the floor.
Yeah.